What's going on, everybody? Devin up here, and today I got something special for you. Yup, you see it. It's the Galaxy Buds Plus. We're gonna have some fun with these, listen to some music, give my honest opinion. You know how we do. Alright, let's get it started. Let's get this unboxing started. Let's show the box. Alright, so when you first open up the box, this is what you see. So we take this out. You get a quick start guide, terms and conditions. Alright, so what is this? These are your buds. Okay, and that's interesting. So not only do you get buds, you also get these clips also that comes with it. It also tells you which side it's on. See, you got the left and you got your right. You got your USB Type-C cord, so that's great, which means you get nice fast charging. Now for the main event, what you all came for. Nice and small, feels nice so far. Let's take this off. Looks the same as the first one, not too different, still small. You got a USB Type-C charge port right here. This right here lets you know your life. It'll change colors. Got your left and your right, and when you open it up, you get the buds itself. I think blue is the best color, and I think once it gets dirty, it'll still stay like a good color. When you take them out, you can see the inserts right here, so that's pretty cool. And here's the opposite inserts. And it's very easy to put back in. You just put it in and it adjusts itself by the magnet. So that's good. We all know how hard it is to kind of put these back into these cases sometimes. Let's put these in our ear. Let's do a sound test. Let's have fun with it. All right, so right now I got them in my ear.
Bruh, look at this dude.
All right, so got them in my ear. And yes, y'all, I got them in the right way this time. So last time I had them in the wrong way. You guys killed me, and it was pretty funny reading some of the comments, so I had to go back, change it up, and now I do hear the difference. Oh man. Alright, so first of all, last time I said there was no bass, there is bass. The bass is amazing. It do sound great. I had them in the wrong way, so of course you're not gonna hear the best sound of quality. I take it back. The quality sounds amazing. Last time I said I was listening to Pound Cake by Drake, I didn't really hear too much. Now they're in the right way, it's good. So people who are making this controversial clickbait video about no noise cancellation, the noise isolation is pretty much the same thing. I barely heard anything. That's why I just took those out, because I can barely hear myself. Now when it comes to other competition such as the Jabras, your One More, and the Sonys, these are on an even level, and they also on a better price point. All right, let's get back. Let's talk about what these babies can do. All right, so these buds actually have 11 hours battery life, and it also comes with wireless charging. And when I had it in my ear, it was very comfortable. 5.0 Bluetooth wireless charging. With that, you get better range. By saying that, let's say you go from the house to the car, you won't really have that much drop off compared to the AirPods, which is a 4.2 Bluetooth. So when I made phone calls with these, they came out very clear. It was great. Compared to the last model, it was an improvement from the last model. And also, it's actually iOS friendly now. So I'm not really sure that's really a good thing or a benefit for Galaxy users. I don't think so. But people who are like kind of in between, now you have features on here now. But from what I hear from, I'll show it rating what they say. And you know, people who have it, if it's good, great. Who doesn't, it doesn't really seem that appealing. So it also has improved microphones, and lastly, it is sweat and water resistance. Kinda. I'm gonna get into the sweat resistance and water resistance as an example. So it has the rating of an IPX2, and with that, barely has it. And also it's the same as the last model. So the Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus have the same sweat resistance and water resistance. The highest being 8, and this is being 2. Most common has between 4 or 5 IPX rating. The AirPod Pros and the AirPods have an IPX of 4. This one has a 2. I can basically say just possibly going to the gym with it is probably the best it's used for. I mean, I'm not sure you might. I would just dodge heavy rain, and if you're in light rain, you should be okay. And if you're sweating, you should be okay. Secondly, it's the same design as the previous model. They could have built something or made it look a little more sleeker, slimmer, add a design at the end of the tips or something, or add a plus to it or something. Unique the design, but because, you know, if you spend more money, you want to have its own design. The only thing you can really tell the difference is the color, and barely that, because you got black. It's look exactly the same. So I'm gonna show the pros and cons all together. What do you guys think about this? Is it worth the upgrade? Yeah, let me know. Alright, so what did you think about the Galaxy Buds Plus? Is it worth the upgrade or is it not? Check out my future videos. I'm gonna do a comparison between these and the AirPod Pros. I'm gonna do a comparison between these and the first ones, the regular Galaxy Buds, the Jabra 75T Elite Active. I'm gonna do a comparison on all 4 of those, maybe in one video or different videos. What do you guys think I should do? Comment down below what I should do. This is Deppin' Up. You guys have a blessed day. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter. I may start doing Q&As. I want to be more interactive with you guys. So let me know what I should start doing with you. And I just want to have fun with this. Just know I'm the greatest of all time at this, and so are you.